Are you? Mayroon bang ano?
I find out I'm adopted. I wasn't sure if that was like...
Oo naman, it doesn't show naman kasi it's not show naman dalawang kapatid.
I didn't know that.
Alright. Okay, thanks. And of course, Richie. May Vilma Santos ka naman doon sa walling mo doon.
Kasi naman,
Ano ba? Kwento mga role mo?
bakla.
Hindi halata.
Oo nga eh. No, I play Bonnie. Kung may EDSA, may Bonnie.
Oh,
sa may main
cute.
avenue, may semi-main avenue. Diba? Ganun ang chika. No, I play Bonnie Woolworth. I play blood siblings kami ni Ate EDSA dito. And yung journey naman nung nung character, I lose love and then I find it. Oh! Yan, that's it.
Okay, and Mr. Steven, please, your role.
Papa Frank is the buoy in this family to keep everybody afloat and to be the glue to hold the love together amongst everybody. And the point is that we're not all related by blood, but we are connected in a way that it's all about unconditional love for whomever you're with in your family. And that's Papa Frank's.
Oh.
Make it right.
Thank you, Steven. And of course, Lee, your character.
Yeah, it's the character of Chad Bauer. Becomes the love interest.
Oh.
Works at becoming the love interest. That's a
Alright.
and then becomes a love interest.
Wow.
Yeah. 3 months after filming, still get sweaty talking about it. So, yeah, no, it's a type of. I found Chad to be a person who knew what he wanted. You know, and found a very sweet woman that he thought he could be with. And obviously she's got issues at home and that she has to deal with it, that he totally understands, you know, when it comes to the movie. So, yeah.
Thanks, Lee. And of course, Koki, your character and your role.
Ano daw?
Ikaw daw yung
Ako
kala
yung
niya.
panganay na duguduguan habang sinushooting to. Nauubusan ako ng ka-Inglesan. Anyway, ako po yung panganay sa magkakapatid. Ito nga si Ed sa Woolworth. So, medyo napag-iwan na ng panahon. Sa totoong buhay, maninimbang ako rito kung it's about time na ba na magkaroon na ako ng love life or yung kailangan kasi ako ng pamilya ko. So, ayun, dito ang struggle sa buhay. Yun. So, dahil wala na kaming nanay, so tumayong ako na yung nanay ng pamilya.
It's about family pala talaga. Okay, Tita Ethel. Can we get a mic for Tita Ethel?